Good morning, my dear students. This is my third class and subject is Thermal Engineering 1 and branch third semester mechanical. Today I will discuss what is thermodynamic process. In thermodynamic process means series of states followed by a working medium, that is gas or liquid etc. as it liberates, receives or transfer of energy. Then I will discuss what is specific heat. Specific heat of a substance is defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the unit mass of the substance through unit degree temperature or unit degree Kelvin. Let us consider M, mass of the gas, mass of the gas or substance. C, specific heat of the substance. Then rise in temperature. Then Q is equal to heat added to the gas. And it is given by Q is equal to mc delta T. Then what is unit of specific heat? If M is measured in kg, delta T, rise in temperature, is measured in degree centigrade or degree Kelvin. Then Q is measured in kilojoule. Then C is equal to Q by M delta T. Then that means kilojoule per kg degree centigrade or kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin. This is the unit of specific heat of the substance. Generally, solids and liquids have one specific heat, but gases have two specific heat. That means Cp and Cv. Cp is equal to specific heat at constant pressure and Cv is equal to specific heat at constant volume. Then I will discuss what is the relationship between Cp, Cv and R. Let us consider gas be heated at constant pressure from an initial volume V1 and at absolute temperature T1. Then final volume is V2 and final absolute temperature is equal to T2. Then Q is equal to heat added to the gas and is given by mCp T2 minus T1, where M is equal to mass of the gas or substance, Cp is equal to specific heat at constant pressure, and the T2 minus T1 is equal to rise in temperature. Then according to general energy equation, we know that Q is equal to delta U plus W. Where delta U is equal to change in internal energy and is given by delta U is equal to mCv T2 minus T1. Then W is equal to work done by the gas and is given by PdV is equal to PV2 minus V1. According to general equation, we know that PV is equal to MRT. Then PV2 is equal to MRT2 and PV1 is equal to MRT1. Then putting these values in equation 1. Since PV is equal to MRT. Then MCP T2 minus T1 is equal to MCB T2 minus T1 plus MR T2 minus T1. Then dividing both sides by M T2 minus T1, that means MCP T2 minus T1 divided by M T2 minus T1 is equal to MCB T2 minus T1 divided by M T2 minus T1 plus MR T2 minus T1 divided by M T2 minus T1. This is the relationship between Cp, Cv and R, where Cp is equal to specific heat at constant pressure, Cv is equal to specific heat at constant volume, and R is equal to characteristics gas constant. Then next class I will teach you first law of thermodynamics, zeroth law, etc. Thank you.